Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Lesson: Creating a product prototype. What is a prototype? A prototype is the first model of a product. It is made to test an idea before making the real product for selling. Think of it like a practice version of the product. Example: if you want to invent a smart water bottle, you first make a model to see how it works before producing thousands. Types of prototypes: low fidelity, simple prototype, made with simple materials like paper, cardboard, or foam. Shows the idea but may not fully work yet. Example: drawing the smart water bottle on paper or making a simple plastic model. High fidelity, advanced prototype, looks and works almost like the final product. Example: a 3D printed water bottle that already has sensors and a display. Steps in making a prototype. Step 1. Define the purpose. Ask, what problem does this product solve? Decide the important features. Example: the smart bottle should show water temperature, show how much water is left, connect to a phone app. Step 2. Choose the prototype type. Do you want a simple model, just the look, or an advanced model that works? Step 3. Design and build. Sketch the design on paper or computer. Select materials, plastic, sensors, etc. Build the model. Testing the prototype. Why test? To see if it works well, looks good, and is easy to use. Types of testing. Usability. Is it easy to use? Example: can people read the bottle's display easily? Functionality. Does it work? Example: does the sensor show the correct water temperature? Performance. Does it work in different situations? Example: with hot tea or cold juice, indoors or outdoors. Design aesthetics. Does it look good? Example: do people like the shape and color? Durability. Is it strong? Example: what happens if the bottle falls on the ground? Collecting feedback. Let people use the product and give their opinion. Example: a group of users tries the smart bottle for 1 week and shares what they liked and didn't like. Improving the prototype. Example: if the screen is hard to see in sunlight, make it brighter. Test again until the product works well and users are happy.
Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What is a prototype? A. A finished product ready to sell. B. A practice or sample version of a product. C. A broken product. D. A copy of another product. Which of the following is a type of prototype? A. Original product. B. Low fidelity prototype. C. Factory-made product. D. Expensive gadget. Why do people make a prototype before the real product? A. To waste materials. B. To test and improve the idea. C. To make it look expensive. D. To sell it immediately. What is the difference between a low-fidelity and a high-fidelity prototype? A. Low fidelity is simple, high fidelity is advanced. B. Low fidelity is more expensive. C. High fidelity is only on paper. D. Both are exactly the same. Which is an example of testing a prototype? A. Throwing it away. B. Asking users to try it and give feedback. C. Hiding it from people. D. Selling it quickly. If you want to make a simple, low-fidelity, prototype of a school bag, which material is best? A. Cardboard or paper. B. Expensive leather. C. Real school bag fabric. D. Metal. How would you test if a water bottle prototype is durable? A. By looking at it only. B. By dropping it to see if it breaks. C. By coloring it. D. By asking a friend about it. A group made a prototype phone. The design looks nice, but the buttons are hard to press. What problem did they find? A. Design. B. Usability. C. Durability. D. Size. Bottle A looks nice but its sensors don't work. Bottle B works well but looks plain. Which is better for users? A. Bottle A, because it is pretty. B. Bottle B, because it works well. C. Both are the same. D. Neither is useful. Which of the following is the best idea for a new classroom prototype? A. A smart chair that reminds students to sit properly. B. A toy car for fun. C. A bottle for pets. D. A picture frame. Thank you and God bless you always. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.